Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the local security policy console so you can access advanced settings directly. Type SecPol, MSC in Run and press Enter. If prompted, allow elevation with an administrator account. Once done, scan the left tree for account policies and local policies. Those are where most advanced controls live. Make sure to keep an eye on whether the PC is joined to a domain, because domain group policies will take precedence and can revert local changes. You now make the concrete changes. Pick a category like password policy to enforce length and complexity, or account lockout to block brute force attacks. Double-click a rule, choose to define it, and enter values that balance security and usability. For user rights assignment, remove unnecessary accounts from powerful privileges, because reducing standing privilege lowers risk. Once you configure each item, apply and close the dialog, and continue systematically through security options so that behavior, auditing, and network protections match your requirements. You finish by applying changes and verifying they stick. Run gpupdate/force or reboot the computer to ensure policies are active, then test with a non-admin user and review Event Viewer for security logs. Make sure to cross-check with SecPol. MSC to confirm the new values display correctly. If settings revert or don't apply, inspect Domain Group Policy. It can override local settings, and use resultant set of policy to diagnose which GPOs are enforcing the current configuration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.